We have finished almost all the portions of this chapter, heat and temperature, in chapter 4. Now we will have a quick recap of the chapter taught to you, in which we will discuss the different things. We will start with the heat. What is heat? It is a kind of energy. And what is hot and what is cold? So hot and cold is a feeling which we can realize through our sense organs. The feeling of hotness and coldness is related to the gain और लॉस ऑफ हीट. अगर गेन करा किसी चीज़ ने हीट को तो वो हॉट हो गया. इफ़ इट इज़ लूजिंग देन इट विल बिकम कोल्ड. सो दे आर रिलेटिव टर्म्स. Both are relative terms, hot and cold. So you should know okay, what is heat, how we can realize the hot and cold terms. Then concept of temperature. Temperature is nothing. It is the measure of heat is called temperature, or we can say hotness or coldness of a particular object is its temperature. Now we are measuring the temperature with a device that is known as thermometer. Thermometers are, on the basis of their utility, they are of two kinds. One is clinical, other is laboratory thermometer. And on the basis of the liquid or the material in those thermometers used, they are of two kinds, mercury and alcohol thermometer. Mercury being expensive, it is not cost effective, while the alcohol thermometer is cost effective. And there are on the thermometer there are two scales which are often marked. Most common one is the Celsius scale, other one is the Fahrenheit scale. We can convert the Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius. I have explained you with the examples given there. And then comes the different types of thermometers, like liquid thermometer and dry thermometer. Liquid thermometer में आते हैं mercury and alcohol thermometers, and dry thermometer होता है, that is digital thermometer. Nowadays it is very common and it gives the quick response. इससे बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट मिलता है. सो नाउ इट इज़ मोर कॉमन. अब हमको क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए वाइल मेजरिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ एनी पर्सन? तो व्हाट वी शुड डू, we should first of all we should give the jerk to the thermometer so that the mercury column should come up to the 35 degree or below that. Then we can have a correct temperature. While measuring temperature of a person, we should not we should keep it inside the mouth, and we should instruct the patient that he should or she should not hold with the teeth, but he should keep under the tongue only. If it is a child, then we should use the arm under the armpit. So this way we have learned about these things. Then flow of heat, we have talked about conduction, convection and radiation, their applications, and what are good conductors, what are bad conductors. I hope you will not miss all these things. And one more term I will again tell you, that fluid is a category. Fluid, FLUIDS, is a category in which gases and liquids come. So in these fluids only the convection current, heat is transferred through the convection currents. Then we will come to the quick recap what we have learned till now, so that we will see, and later on some questions I am giving you, I hope you will solve it. Heat produces a sensation of warmth in our body. Temperature is the measure of heat. 0 degree centigrade or 32 degree centigrade is the melting point of ice, or लोअर स्टैंडर्ड पॉइंट, दिस इज़ लोअर स्टैंडर्ड पॉइंट कहलाता है 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड और 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सिमिलरली 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एंड 200 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट इज़ द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज़ नोन एज अपर स्टैंडर्ड पॉइंट. Then normal temperature of a healthy human body is 37 degree, or we can say 98 degree Fahrenheit. Heat always flow from a hot body to a cold body. मतलब कि हीट हमेशा गर्म तरफ से ठंडे की तरफ फ्लो करती है. डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ हीट इंक्लूड कंडक्शन, कन्वेक्शन एंड रेडिएशन. जो डिफरेंट मोड से हीट ट्रांसफ़र के वो होते हैं कंडक्शन, कन्वेक्शन और रेडिएशन. We have talked about all those methods. Conduction is possible with all the metals, especially the solids. Convection currents are passing through the liquids. One example we have discussed, in which all the three methods are applied for heat transfer. That is, if we will heat the water, then in a utensil through a flame. So what happens? From the bottom of the utensil, the heat is transferred to the water through conduction. Then through convection, it is transferring through the convection currents, which brings the water molecules from lower to upper side till that it boils. And from the sides of the utensil, radiation method is there. So this is about the heat transfer by conduction in solids, convection through fluids, and radiation in which no medium is allowed. Means without any medium, this mode of transfer of heat is there. Then white and shining surfaces are poor absorbers and poor radiators of heat. जो white होती हैं और shining surfaces होती हैं उनमें heat absorbed नहीं होती. That is why we are often wearing the light colored clothes during the summers and dark colored clothes during the winters. Then dull and black surfaces are good absorbers and good radiators of heat. Thermos flask, I have talked about the thermos flask structure. It is double walled. It is having vacuum inside. It is a glass flask, silvered. This was the structure, and some insulators packing is inside its body, and a bad conductor's cap is there at the top. So this is the structure of thermos flask. And why it is used? Thermos flask is used the things to keep cold. If it is cold, to keep it cold, and if it is hot, to keep it hot. So that is why the thermos flask is used. So now we will see the terms at a glance. First, temperature, the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Thermometer, a device to measure temperature, ऐसी device जिससे temperature measure किया जाता है. Conduction, transfer of heat without any movement of particles in solid medium. Convection, transfer of heat through movement of particles in liquid or gaseous medium. Means this is, again I am repeating, the convection mode of method. It is through the liquid or gases only. Radiation, without any medium, transfer of heat from one body to another without affecting the medium. So this is all about today's learning. Now we will see in the next video the next chapter.